So I think, to me, one of the real advantages of AdvaMed is really in two different buckets. First of all, the scope of their membership is pretty significant. And by that I mean they have a lot of small startup companies here, mid-sized companies, very large companies. So they're able to address things from a very wide industry breadth. And it's important when you're trying to persuade policymakers or politicians to a particular viewpoint that they see the organization as really being representative of the whole industry instead of just a subsegment of the industry. And I think that the other part that particularly is of value to us is we do about half of our sales overseas. So emerging markets, Japan, Europe are all important geographies for us. And AdvaMed doesn't restrict itself to US issues alone. They have a very, very active programs and efforts to help not just understand what's going on in those parts of the world, but to really help shape policy. So I think they're one of the few organizations in the world that have that scope, both in its membership and in its global reach, to be able to be of real help.